A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the important questions for IBPS AFO mains in horticulture part 2. And come on, let's get into the video. The first question it is sauerkraut is a fermented food that is prepared from it is cabbage actually. And next to this, pineapple is a variety of, and it is not a crop here, it is actually a variety name. Pineapple is a variety of sweet orange, that is Citrus sinensis. National Research Center for Sapota is in Thane, that is Mumbai. It has been established recently. Which mango variety is very much susceptible to spongy tissue? And it is your Alfonso, which is an important export variety and it is very much susceptible to this spongy tissue. Intergeneric grafting is done in sapota. Actually, the scientific name of sapota it is Acherus sapota, and it has been grafted with Manilhara exandra, which is known as Pala rootstock. So it is said to be intergeneric in nature. Apple belongs to the family Rosaceae. Apple, rose, peach, pear, everything belongs to the family Rosaceae. The richest source of iron is said to be your dry carunda, and next to this only it is date palm. Don't forget this. And also the richest source of vitamin C is said to be West Indian cherry. Nextly, the vector of yellow vine mosaic virus in Bendy is said to be whitefly, that is Bemisia tabaci. And then self incompatibility is seen in crucifers, that is your cabbage, cauliflower, etc. And so that they are mainly cross pollinated in nature. And this it is salt and nematode tolerant rootstock of grapes is said to be dogridge, and other rootstock that is tolerant to salt is said to be salt creek. Those things are very important. And training and pruning in grapes is also said to be important for this exam, so read it carefully. The tree planted for breaking the monotony of garden is said to be specimen tree. Okay. Chrysanthemum is propagated through suckers, that is the side suckers. Chrysanthemum is said to be a queen of the Middle East, and it is the national flower of Japan, and it is one of the important cut flower. The edible part in clove is said to be unopened flower bud, that is immature unopened flower bud. IIVR, that is your Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The propagation method that is used in nutmeg is said to be epicotyle grafting or green chip budding. The removal of mother tree leaving only about 30 to 45 centimeter from the ground, helping the suckers to get nourished in banana is said to be mattaking, and it is one of the important intercultural or said to be special practices in banana, including denaveling, mattaking, removal of withered styles in perianth, and petiole wrapping, and all those things are important in case of banana. The low temperature in onion leads to bolting. Okay. Higher temperature in the initial days of growth in cucurbits lead to maleness. That is, if the temperature is higher in the initial stages, that is few days after sowing, then lot of male flowers will be induced. So to avoid this, at the 2 to 3 leaf stages, we have to spray at 100 to 200 ppm of ethyl so that femaleness will be induced. Nextly, the Tristeza virus in citrus spread is controlled by planting piles, which means pre-immunized acid lime seedlings, which is done by patch budding, and this will reduce the Tristeza spread to the newly planted trees. For colored foods, the preservative used is sodium benzoate. For colorless food, the chemical used is potassium metabisulfate, that is KMS. Both are said to be type 2 preservatives. Type 1 or class 1 said to be salt and adding sugar. Rainwater pollination, that is hydrophily, is seen in black pepper. Likewise, a back shower is needed for coffee to induce flowering. The pungency of chili is measured using Scoville unit. Green ginger is harvested at 6 months of age, whereas for other purpose, that is dry ginger, we will be harvesting at 11 to 12 months. Vanilla is propagated through stem cuttings. The off-season variety of mango includes Niranjan and Madhulika. Yes, true potato seeds reduces the viral transmission. The compound present in the leaf oil of cinnamon is said to be eugenol, whereas the bark oil of cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde. Arka Surabhi is a variety of jasmine and it is said to be released by RIIHR Bangalore, and it is one of the important jasmine variety. And with this, the session ends. I hope the content will be very much useful to you, and keep on watching our channel and do subscribe us too. And thank you for all your support and cooperation.